At the back of APGB3200, you could either install 8-port GSM modules up to 5 module slots. Each GSM module supports up to 8 SIM, so fully installed GSM card supports up to 40 GSM line, and our module supports hot swap function, which means it allows exchanging with other module while operating system. Edpac's various GSM gateway series have been fully recognized in terms of its performance and stability throughout the world. With 14 years of experience in GSM market alone, we know what the customers are looking for and know how to satisfy their needs. For more information on APGS series, please visit our website. Thank you for watching today. Product Manager with Edpac Technology. Today, I'd like to give a brief overview of the latest GSM gateway system. And this is Edpac's popular GSM gateway, APGB3200. APGB3200 GSM gateway supports analog or IP to GSM up to 40 ports and is suitable for general enterprises, medium, and large public offices. Especially, APGB3200 GSM gateway provides an optimal solution of VIP and GSM communications in telephony environment that uses telephone lines and PBX to connect with head office. At the front of APGB3200 GSM gateway, it supports 2 fast Ethernet ports and 1 console port for LAN-to-LAN routing service and provides a LED indicator for operating status.